to talk about how can you select route preference on your Amazon Alexa app, or you go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on, sorry, when you keep going down here, you will find here, so sorry, we will go back. When you click here on settings, so then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click here on commit here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on route preference, and here can you select in this list to work, and here to home. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.